Hey, it's Age here. Today we're taking a look at technical analysis for SP500. I'll cover wave analysis with Elliott Wave Theory and provide multiple scenarios the price may take and explain why I prefer one count over another. Let's take a look at the different possibilities. Starting here on 15-minute time frame and looking at this structure over here starting from around the 16th of August around the $4,300. In this one, I've labeled this as an ABC coming down and then another ABC going up. For the higher time frame picture, we would be calling this as a W and X because again, this second wave structure did not get anywhere close to the start of this wave structure to create a flat pattern. So instead of that, we would be calling this as a W, X, and then looking for a wave Y downwards. Now on this one, the minimum in time I would be seeking would be the 0.618 extension of the wave W, pivoted again from here, so we can get the minimum amount of time here around the 23rd of September. That's why I don't think this is enough of time, even if this could be finished here, or even if this could be labeled as an ABC coming down, and I don't think that is going to be enough of time for this whole structure to be done. It doesn't have the right look, and that's one of the reasons again why I don't think so. Now on the previous video that I created on Thursday, I think we were looking into this, or Friday it was, sorry. We were looking into this structure over here as a possibility for having this as a 1 2 1 2 3 4 5. And then we were looking into this possibility of having this as the wave 4 coming in, and then only then we would have one more low here for the 5th. Now that is not necessary. I made another post on Discord as well saying that we could have this as a 3-wave structure, another 3 waves, and then this would be another 3 waves. So we would have overall a WXY structure here into the wave 4. At that point again we would eliminate one of these wave structures completely, so we don't need to be having another low. That would be one of the explanations that we could have here if we are going to be turning up higher. Now generally, if the price goes beyond the previous wave 4, which in this case is this area here, is more common that the previous structure is already done, meaning that wave 4 would be here, wave 5 would be here, and this whole structure would be done. Again, we did not really cross it too much as of yet, and the whole invalidation would be here at around 39.30, and that would be the final invalidation of this whole count. What else? Well, the expectation again here was that this is actually a 5-way move. However, on Russell 2000 we had a possibility in which this was some kind of a 3-way structure. Now Russell was the only one that had actually this possibility in which it came so near to the 38.2 retracement of this first leg over here for it to be qualified as a B wave basically. None of the other US market indices have given us this kind of structure, and also for example the SP500, we can see this structure over here. If we are measuring that out here, we can see that we are not even close, not even the 23.6% retracement higher. So that's why I'm a bit wary on this count, and why I did not really like this again on SP500. On the Russell it looks pretty okay. We could have this as a C wave as well, although we don't have really perfect subway structures here either. But yeah, that is something to keep in mind as well. Now, even if we ignored the fact on SP500 that this did not get to the 38.2, we would be still not getting to the 0.618 here that I hold again as the minimum for the sake of right look. On Russell again, that is not an option or not a issue, as we did get to that area here. So for Russell, and probably only Russell, this is still a possibility of which we could have this as a 3-way structure already complete. But yeah, for S&P 500 I would still expect one more or this would be a 5-way structure in here, then we would be looking for a pullback here into the wave B and another drop down towards wave C to complete the wave Y overall. Of course, there is multiple different ways this could be going, and I would definitely be looking into short possibilities somewhere up in here. At that point, again, I would not hold anything or these highs as the invalidation, just because they are so high up in there. I would be still looking into some of the divergences if they were to form here. We are already getting some kind of divergences from all these highs here, basically against this current low or this high that we are having here. So we are getting some bearish continuation patterns downwards. Whether that is going to be playing out or not, we don't know. But again, next week is going to be very interesting. We'll see how it turns out. Again, on higher time frame, I'm still looking for this to happen basically for this wave Y before we're going to be turning our views on the higher time frame again to the upside. Let me close this one and show you this. So again, something like this would be the expectation before getting up again. But we'll see how it turns out. If you made it this far into the video, I would appreciate the likes. Link to my free Discord server in the description below, and for now, I thank you for watching and hope you have an amazing rest of your day. See you in the next video. Bye bye.